Hello friends, Assalamu alaikum. Good evening to all. Welcome back to my channel. Friends, you must have seen birds flying around your house. Am I right? Do you their names?
No.
No? Okay, don't worry. Now I'm going to talk magical birds of the world. Okay, are you ready? This is crow. C for crow. Crow is a black color. This is sparrow. S for sparrow. Sparrow is a small bird. This is pigeon. P for pigeon. Pigeon is in a grey color. This is parrot. P for parrot. Parrot is green color. Parrot is eat chili. This is peacock. P for peacock. Peacock is look very beautiful. Peacock is national bird of India. This is duck. D for duck. Duck live in water. Duck eat fish and frog. This is eagle. E for eagle. Eagle can fly very high in sky. Eagle eat rabbit and snake. This is owl. O for owl. Owls eat small creatures and rats.